Hi, my name is Keith Hall. Welcome to another NASE Minute. Today I want to talk about my favorite tax planning idea of all time, and that's creating a job for your child to work in your small business. Now that may sound creative, that may sound easy, but the point here is that you can create a job in your small business for your child living at home under age 18 and pay them about $12,000 a year. So listen to this point. You can pay your kid $12,000 a year. Your child doesn't even have to file a tax return because it's below the threshold of taxable income. There's no federal income tax, no FICA, no Medicare, no state income tax, no FUTA, no SUTA, no tax at all. Yet that $12,000 is fully deductible on your business tax return. So how would you like to have an extra $12,000 deduction at tax time for money that you're already spending anyway? This is the biggest no-brainer tax idea of all time. Now, the only question I usually get is that true? That sounds too good to be true. Is that a red flag for the IRS? I want to challenge you to do something. Go to Google and do a search on Hire Your Kid. The links that you're going to get are from the IRS, irs.gov, sba.gov, tax software companies, and CPA firms. Now, those are the links when you search on Hire Your Kid. All of those links are encouraging you to create a job for your child in your small business. Again, this is a no-brainer. Up to $5,000 in savings just for creating a job just for your kid. So do a little research, create a job, put your kid to work, and you're going to pay $5,000 less in federal income tax. If you have questions or we can help, we're here. Bookmark our website at nase.org, and always remember, you're not alone.